Compare these photos. Do you feel the difference? But we just changed the ISO. In today's video, we will tell you how to set up a high ISO on your Canon EOS R8 in order to avoid overexposed photos and achieve the desired result. Set the camera to manual M mode. This gives you complete control over your exposure settings. Rotate the mode dial on top of the camera to select M. Adjust your ISO setting. Press the ISO button on the top or back of the camera, depending on your specific model layout, and use the main dial to increase the ISO. Begin with ISO 3200 and adjust according to the lighting conditions and your desired effect. Open up your aperture. Use the quick control dial to set the aperture to the lowest f number your lens allows, enabling maximum light to reach the sensor. Slow down the shutter speed. Use the main dial to select a slower shutter speed that allows enough light in but is still fast enough to avoid motion blur. If necessary, use a tripod to stabilize the camera. Enable noise reduction for high ISO settings. Navigate to the camera's menu, find the noise reduction settings, and select High ISO Noise Reduction. You can experiment with different levels to see what works best for your scenario. Use the RAW format for greater post-processing flexibility. Shooting in RAW allows you to adjust noise and other aspects of your image more effectively in post-processing software. To change the setting, go to the camera's menu, select the Image Quality option, and choose RAW. Experiment with exposure compensation. In low light, your camera might underexpose images. Use the exposure compensation feature to manually adjust brightness without altering ISO, aperture, or shutter speed directly. Review and adjust. Take test shots and review them on your camera. Adjust the ISO, aperture, shutter speed, and noise reduction settings as needed based on the results. And there you have it.